What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the price list update summary video series. There were 15 new line items added to the Xactimate price list in April 2025. Let's take a look. The first two new line items here are Concrete Grinding Light, one in the CNC category, one in the FCW category. We have had Concrete Grinding line items. Now we have Concrete Grinding Light as new line items. 10 new line items here in the TCR, Trauma and Crime Scene Remediation category. Cleaning baseboards, cleaning blinds, cleaning doors, cleaning floors. We have seen these line items in other categories. Now they are in the TCR category, as well as 4 new line items in the EQU category. Bucket truck, chipper shredder small, chipper shredder large, and a chipper truck 15 to 20 yard box. Be sure to tune in later this month when we release the full price list update summary video, where we talk about these 15 new line items, how were they intended to be used, as well as analyze the changes to the existing line items in the Xactimate price list that happened this month. Thank you.